Hello everyone. In this section, let's see the commonly used data structures in Python. First, let's see list. Lists are non-homogeneous, which means it can have any data types like integer, float, string inside a list. List can be declared with a open and a closing square bracket. Each element in a list will have an index number. For example, here L1 is the list name. Here this list is enclosed with the open and closing square bracket. This 1, 2, 3 and hello are the elements inside a list. So here the index number for 1 is 0 and for 2 is 1. So if I need to access anything inside this list, I will go with this index number. For example, here if I need to print hello, I'm going to give the list name followed by the index number, which is 3. If I need to get access to the first element in the list, I will give L1 and the index number 0. So it is printed 1 here. Now if I need to add an element to a list, I will go with the keyword append. So here I have given L1 dot append 0. So here 0 is added to the end of the list. Suppose if I need to update an element in a list, here if I need to update 2 with update, I will give L1 and then the index number for 2 is 1 equal to update. Now if I print L1, you can see in the second index it is updated with update. In order to delete an element in a list, you'll be using a pop function, L1.pop. This pop will remove the last element in a list. You can see here this 0 has been popped out of this list, which means deleted. Now if I want to delete a particular element in a list, I will go with the index number and then a delete keyword, like delete followed by list name and its corresponding index number. So I am deleting the first 0, which is the first element in the list. You can see the output, it has deleted 0 and it's printed the rest of the elements in the list. Now let's see dictionaries in Python. The main syntax for defining a dictionary is it should have an opening and closing braces, and inside these braces everything will be in the form of key value pairs. So here A is the key and 1 is the value for that corresponding key, and 2 is the value for the corresponding key, which is P, and 3 is the value for the corresponding key, which is C. So in order to access inside this dictionary, I will go with this key. So here if I need to access the first element, I am go with the key name, which is A. So D1 of A, which is, it will print the value 1. You want to delete a particular key value, I will go with the delete keyword followed by the dictionary key D1 of A, which is, it will delete the first value, which is 1. You can see here it has removed the first element in the dictionary. In order to print all the keys in the dictionary, we can go with this function d1.keys. It will print all the keys in the dictionary. If I want to print all the values, you can go with the dictionary dot d1 dot values keyword name is values. It will print all the values inside the dictionary.